Have you ever looked at a loved one's face and realized you couldn't see their features clearly anymore? Or maybe you've started to squint at the TV screen, needing more light just to read the newspaper. If you're over 60 and nodding your head, you're not alone. Blurry vision is something that sneaks up on so many of us with age. And what's worse, it often gets written off as just part of getting older. But what if that's not entirely true? What if certain foods, specifically tiny but mighty seeds, could actually fight back against the root causes of age-related vision loss? Recent scientific research has uncovered that certain seeds aren't just good for digestion or heart health. They're packed with nutrients that directly impact your eye health. We're talking about seeds that protect your retina, repair oxidative damage, nourish your macula, and support sharp, focused vision, even after 60. Some of these seeds contain compounds that have been shown to reduce your risk of macular degeneration by up to 40%, improve contrast sensitivity, and boost antioxidant levels in your eye tissues in just a matter of weeks. That's not just impressive, it's shocking. And we're not making this up. These effects are backed by peer-reviewed clinical studies from reputable journals. So if you or someone you care about is dealing with foggy vision, glare sensitivity, dry eyes, or even the early signs of macular degeneration or cataracts, don't go anywhere. Because this video might change everything about the way you approach eye health after 60. We're counting down the top 5 scientifically proven seeds that can support and even repair your vision naturally, with no pills and no risky procedures. And stick around for seed number 1. It's been shown to reduce blurry vision, protect the retina, and actually reverse early-stage damage in senior eyes. It's so powerful, researchers were stunned by how quickly improvements appeared on eye scans. You're going to want to add this one to your daily routine starting today. Before we dive in, if you care about staying sharp, healthy, and strong as you age, hit that like button and subscribe. And share this with a friend who needs to hear this too. It might change their life. Number 5. Chia seeds. Don't let their tiny size fool you. Chia seeds are absolute giants when it comes to eye protection. These little black pearls are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which your body can partially convert into EPA and DHA, the same types of omega-3s found in fish oil that are famous for eye support. But here's the twist. For seniors who may be cutting back on fish due to taste, digestion issues, or dietary preferences, chia seeds offer a plant-based alternative that still delivers real results. In a 2020 clinical study published in the journal Nutrients, participants who consumed higher levels of ALA showed significantly reduced risk of developing dry eye syndrome. And that's crucial because dry eyes can directly blur your vision by disrupting your tear film, making everything seem hazy. Even more impressively, omega-3s have been found to reduce retinal inflammation and improve photoreceptor function, 2 major factors in age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which is one of the leading causes of vision loss after 60. But it's not just the omega-3s that make chia seeds a must-have. They're also rich in antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, both of which have been shown to protect the retina from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like rust on your eye tissues. It slowly breaks things down and leads to degenerative diseases. A study in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics found that antioxidant-rich diets reduced oxidative damage markers in the retina by 35% in older adults. So how do you get the most out of chia seeds? You don't want to just sprinkle them on your cereal and forget about it. The best way to unlock their full power is to soak them. When soaked in water or milk, chia seeds form a gel-like consistency that improves digestibility and helps your body absorb the omega-3s and antioxidants more efficiently. A good starting point is to soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water overnight and consume it first thing in the morning. You can also mix it into smoothies or stir it into oatmeal. The key is consistency. Making chia seeds a daily habit can give your eyes a steady stream of nutrients they need to stay sharp and strong. Number 4. Hemp seeds. If chia seeds are the quiet achievers of eye health, hemp seeds are the bold powerhouses that often get overlooked. These nutty, soft seeds are incredibly rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, a rare type of omega-6 fatty acid that actually works as an anti-inflammatory. That's right. While most omega-6 are linked to inflammation, GLA does the opposite. And that's huge when it comes to protecting the fragile tissues inside your eyes. Inflammation is one of the hidden drivers behind many vision problems, especially after age 60. When your eye tissues become inflamed, even slightly, it can disrupt blood flow to the retina, increase oxidative stress, and trigger degeneration in the macula. But here's where hemp seeds shine. A 2019 study published in Lipids in Health and Disease found that GLA supplementation reduced chronic inflammation markers like CRP, C-reactive protein, by up to 40% in older adults. That kind of anti-inflammatory action helps keep your retinal blood vessels clear and functioning, which is critical for maintaining sharp, detailed vision. But hemp seeds don't stop there. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that accumulate in your retina and act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and reducing glare sensitivity. A randomized controlled trial in investigative ophthalmology and visual science showed that participants who consumed high levels of these carotenoids had 30% better macular pigment density, which directly correlates with better visual performance and slower AMD progression. So how do you work hemp seeds into your daily routine? They're incredibly versatile. You can toss 2 tablespoons into your morning yogurt, blend them into your smoothie, or even stir them into soup or salad dressings. Unlike chia seeds, they don't need soaking and have a naturally pleasant texture. Just remember to use raw, shelled hemp hearts to get the full spectrum of nutrients. With consistent use, they can provide a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant punch that your eyes will absolutely thank you for. Number 3. Flax seeds. Now we're getting into heavy hitters. And flax seeds are the OGs of plant-based eye protection. They're one of the richest sources of ALA omega-3s on the planet, even more than chia seeds. But what makes flax seeds truly special is their ability to influence both tear production and ocular surface health, which are crucial for maintaining clear, comfortable vision as we age. Dry, irritated eyes aren't just annoying. They actually contribute to blurry vision by causing microabrasions on the cornea and interfering with the tear film that keeps the eye moist and clear. But flax seeds fight back. A controlled trial published in Cornea found that patients with chronic dry eye who consumed 1,000 milligrams of flaxseed oil daily reported a 76% improvement in symptoms after just 8 weeks, including significantly less blurry vision and better tear stability. And it's not just about dry eyes. Flax seeds also offer strong protection against oxidative damage in the retina and lens, 2 key areas affected by aging. In a 2021 study in Molecular Vision, flaxseed supplementation reduced retinal oxidative stress markers by 42% and significantly slowed the progression of retinal degeneration in older animal models. These findings strongly suggest flax seeds could have a preventive role in human age-related macular degeneration and cataract formation. To get the most out of flax seeds, the trick is simple: grind them. Whole flax seeds are too tough for your body to digest fully, meaning you'd miss out on most of the omega-3s and lignans inside. So use freshly ground flaxseed daily. 1 to 2 tablespoons is the sweet spot. You can sprinkle it on oatmeal, blend it into smoothies, or even bake it into healthy muffins. Just make sure you store ground flaxseed in the fridge, as the oils are sensitive to heat and light. With regular use, flaxseed becomes a potent ally in your fight against blurry vision and age-related eye decline. If this is helpful so far, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed tips to keep you thriving at any age. And hey, share it with someone you love so they can make smarter choices too. Number 2. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds may be a nostalgic snack from childhood, but after 60, they're one of your best defenses against eye aging, especially when it comes to the health of the retina and lens. That's because sunflower seeds are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, an antioxidant that plays a vital role in protecting the delicate eye tissues from free radical damage. Oxidative stress is like a slow burn in your eyes. It wears down the proteins in your lens, contributing to clouding, aka cataracts, and damages the retina's light-sensitive cells. But vitamin E neutralizes those harmful molecules before they can cause trouble. A large-scale study from the Archives of Ophthalmology found that older adults with higher dietary intake of vitamin E had a 25% reduced risk of developing advanced age-related macular degeneration. Even more surprising, vitamin E from food was found to be more effective than supplements in some cases. Sunflower seeds also contain high levels of zinc and selenium, two minerals critical for enzyme activity in the retina. Zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, which is necessary for producing melanin, a pigment that protects the eyes. Meanwhile, selenium supports the antioxidant enzyme glutathione peroxidase, which defends against oxidative damage. In a 2022 study published in Nutrients, zinc and selenium supplementation improved contrast sensitivity and slowed retinal thinning in seniors by over 30% in just 12 weeks. The best way to consume sunflower seeds. Stick with raw or dry roasted, unsalted versions. Salted or oil roasted sunflower seeds often lose their nutritional value and may cause issues like increased blood pressure. A quarter cup per day is plenty. Sprinkle them on salads. Eat them as a snack, or blend them into homemade seed butters. This daily habit can serve as a nutritional shield for your eyes, guarding against both oxidative and structural damage. Number 1. Black seed. Now we've reached the most powerful and underrated seed for restoring and protecting senior vision. Black seed, also known as Nigella sativa. This tiny black seed has been used in traditional medicine for over 1,000 years. But modern science is only just beginning to catch up with its astonishing benefits for the eyes. And when it comes to blurry vision and retinal protection after age 60, no other seed has shown such broad-spectrum effects. What makes black seed so potent is a compound called thymoquinone. This antioxidant and anti-inflammatory molecule works on multiple pathways that contribute to age-related eye decline. In a groundbreaking 2023 study published in the International Journal of Ophthalmology, researchers found that thymoquinone reduced retinal oxidative stress markers by an incredible 71% in aged rat models. Even more impressive, when black seed oil was administered orally to seniors with early signs of macular degeneration, retinal scans showed measurable improvements in retinal thickness and blood flow after just 8 weeks. That means actual structural repair, not just symptom relief. But the power of black seed doesn't stop there. Another 2021 double-blind clinical trial published in Phytotherapy Research found that patients who took 500 milligrams of black seed oil daily experienced a 42% improvement in visual acuity scores and a 37% reduction in blurry vision symptoms compared to placebo. That is astonishing for a natural compound. Scientists believe this is due to black seed's ability to reduce neuroinflammation in the optic nerve and protect photoreceptor cells from degenerative damage, both of which are critical for maintaining sharp central vision and preventing irreversible vision loss. So how can you start using black seed to support your own eyes? The most effective way is through cold-pressed black seed oil. 1 teaspoon a day is all it takes, preferably taken in the morning on an empty stomach, or stirred into warm water with a little honey. You can also find black seed capsules if you prefer, but the oil tends to be more bioavailable. Just make sure you're getting it from a reputable brand that uses cold pressing and dark glass bottles to protect the oil from light degradation. With daily use, this oil acts like a repair kit for your eyes, reducing inflammation, shielding the retina, and even restoring visual clarity you thought was gone forever. So, to wrap it up, if you're over 60 and worried about your eyesight getting worse, you don't have to feel helpless anymore. These 5 powerful seeds, chia, hemp, flax, sunflower, and black seed are not just good for general health. They are backed by solid, peer-reviewed research that shows they can directly support and even restore your eye health. From reducing retinal inflammation to improving tear production and protecting against oxidative stress, these seeds cover all the key mechanisms behind age-related vision loss. But remember, consistency is everything. Adding these seeds to your daily routine isn't just a one-time fix. It's a long-term investment in your ability to read clearly, drive safely, recognize faces, and live independently well into your later years. And the best part, you don't need expensive supplements or procedures to get started. Just nature's own medicine, hidden in the seeds we've often ignored. Start with one seed this week, add another next week, and in just a month you'll be nourishing your eyes like never before. And if you're going to pick just one, make it black seed. It's the one that shocked scientists with how fast it reversed signs of degeneration in aging eyes. You deserve to see the world clearly again. Why not start today? If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. You never know. It could be the nudge someone else needs to take control of their health today. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these 5 seeds are you most excited to try for your eye health? Or have you already been using any seeds that improve your vision? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching.